Welcome to part 3 of the new Mobil-O-Graph training videos. This video will guide you through downloading results from the device after being returned from a patient. After taking the device from the patient, we need to plug the monitor back into your PC. This is the same process as we did to prepare the device in our first video. Remember to locate the red dots on the cable and on the side of the unit. Carefully line up the dots on the device. Remember not to twist or force the cable. Insert the cable into the device. As we did earlier, open the patient record in the clinical system and launch i3 from the desktop icon. Once the screen appears, simply select Start. We will see your available options once again. Choose the BP icon to begin. We need to choose what action to take. This time we choose Reading to continue. The current patient from your clinical system will be shown. Confirm this is the patient that you are receiving the device back from. To proceed, select Yes. After a moment, the BP software will open and show the patient details again. Select the device communication button in the top left. This shows 2 arrows. We are now going to read out the device. The screen will briefly show the data being downloaded from the unit. Once downloaded, you get the option to delete the measurements from the device. If you choose No here, you will be prompted to delete when next setting up the device. You will then be presented with the table of measurements. These are the basic results from the device. Measurements highlighted in grey are nighttime readings, and anything highlighted pink is above the BP limits on the patient information screen. You will also see notes of actions and details of any error messages. Across the top are tabs for various charts that help interpret the results. Each tab has its own header explaining what they show. These are optional. You can move straight to filing back to the clinical system unless required. From any of the tabs, you can select the printer icon at the top of the screen if you want to print or save a PDF copy. The new Med integration automatically saves a PDF, so this option is purely for additional copies. The options on the left of this screen will change what is on your PDF report. This is what gets filed into the clinical system by our software. If you make any changes to these selections, please click Save to set that as default for future reports. To file the results back from any of the screens, simply press the cross in the top right corner. The screen shown here will appear. This will show the latest test and any past exams the patient has had. Ensure the latest date is highlighted and click OK. The BP software will close, and after a moment you will see the results screen. This shows the summary of the values recorded, along with the coded entry. If you don't wish to file any specific code, they can be unticked. Patient height and weight will be ticked if the values were updated. If you wish to see the full report before filing, you can click the View button, highlighted here. You can add comments if needed. To save the results back to the clinical system, simply click File. The integration software will then save the results back into your clinical system and show a confirmation message. Simply click OK to complete the BP reading out process. With this complete, your results are saved into the clinical system. The device is ready to be prepared for your next patient. We hope you have found these training videos helpful. Installation guides, downloads, self-help and our contact details can be found at support.newmed.co.uk.